So today I am going to show you how to install coil packs on a 2008 Hyundai Accent GS model 4-cylinder engine. Coil packs are what go over the spark plugs. The coils 1 and 3 are out on my car, so I had to get 2 more. I've already removed them. The shop was going to charge me about 500 bucks. I went and bought these coils here for about 68 bucks a piece at Napa, and I'm going to do them myself. So for about 150 bucks instead of 500. So I've already taken these out. Like I said, these are the old ones, and I'm going to show you how to install the new ones in the car. This is the engine here. Coil packs go right here, 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 and here. There's 4 of them. And I've taken number 1 and number 3 out. This is the coil pack here, the brand new one. This clip right here, there's a little black clip right here that you have to take out, and then it basically just clips right onto the coil pack, just like that. And then this clip, which prevents this from coming off the coil pack, will go right back onto here. Snap on like that. Fits down into the hole, right onto the spark plug. All of the bolts on here, you've got one here for the coil pack, and then you'll have another one for this coil pack. You've got one here, and one here. These are all 10mm size bolts. So the only tool you need for this whole job is a 10mm socket. This is the other coil pack. Just going to slide it down into the hole. I'm going to take the little black clippy out of this one. Sometimes they're difficult to pull out. I'm going to clip this onto this other coil pack. Put the little black clip back in. Slide that down. It's time for my bolts. 10mm wrench. Just hand tight is all it takes. I'm going to go ahead and shut the camera off, start the car, make sure this is going to work, then I'll show you the rest of the film.